Conventional computed tomography, CT, needs plenty of projections and therefore, takes much time while processing the volume data. XRAY-LAB has introduced an intuitively usable measuring device extension for industrial computer tomography, known as POLYCT, which enables up to 60% time-efficient and energy-efficient computed tomography. It comes with its software for reconstructing the individual rotation axis structural changes to the existing computer tomography equipment. How does this work? The setup is very easy as measuring device is clamped into the CT chuck instead of the samples or directly mounted on top of the rotary table using a centering adapter. Due to individual rotating centers, less angular increments are necessary compared to a standard CT scan. POLYCT is compatible to all the common CT systems on the market and is easily put into operation in few short steps. It does not interfere with the standard CT functions and does not adversely influence the quality of the results. The upgrade can be easily performed even between scans. Why POLYCT? Up to 60% time saving, energy saving, requires less maintenance, has fewer spare parts, high cost savings, easy installation. Contact us, contact@xraylab.com.